Hey guys, how's it going? It's Breakout Bag Lunch. Today is April 8th. Today is the first day that I'm trading on this new Express account, and we are looking at a profit of a little over $300, as you can see here. I did make some mistakes, and I also did trade a new combine on Topstep, which didn't end up well. I ended up with a loss of a little over $1,500, but I wasn't taking that one too seriously. I was really just focused on this Express funded account. So as usual, I'm going to go over the trades for today and talk about next steps from here. Overall, I would say that today was a bit trickier than previous days, specifically Monday and Tuesday. As you may know, we had a huge gap up last night of about 2.5%, because of positive developments coming from the war in Iran. And we were well above VWAP the entire pre-market session. I was thinking that possibly we'd be looking at a continuation of that upside move. So that led me to try to take this bounce from the low, the 5-minute opening range. We had to move lower, and then we had to move back up. But really, we haven't been in a uptrend so much as just sideways price action. Now, we did have a bounce of VWAP here, but instead of going long again, I wanted to wait for more confirmation. I would have gone long again if we saw a move higher and a close above the low of the 5-minute opening range, because that would signal to me that we were exiting this range that we were in, this smaller range here, but we did not get that. Well, the other trade that I was considering was a move back to the downside. Maybe just because the market moved up, we need some time for just a little bit of a correction and a mean reversion. So since we broke this low here at around 10:30, that was my signal to go short. I entered short here at 6802.75, and I exited that short here at the 1 standard deviation band of VWAP. So overall, I didn't do too badly. Now, I will say that I am trading with micros instead of minis, just because I need to reduce my risk. So the profit's not going to be as large as it had been in the combines, which is perfectly fine. I will, however, highlight this trade here that I did not mean to take at noon. I think maybe because I triggered a sell manually, I put in a bracket order, which caused this buy to happen here. And well, this trade actually ended up working out well up until the moment when I wanted to check my computer and saw that I was down here and at a loss. So I held on to the trade, and worked out as expected. Oh, there's the market close. So the trade worked out. I wouldn't say it worked out as expected. I ended up with a little bit of profit, but I really held through a large drawdown, and that is not good to do at all. Please don't do this at home. So yeah, I need to make sure that I'm ending up flat with no positions when I walk away from the computer for the trading day. Overall, though, I'm not too mad about today's results. Not every day is going to be a home run, And hopefully we can continue this momentum and to the rest of the week. I'm not too mad about the combine drawdown. I'm gonna try to take another trade on a combine tomorrow, and if it doesn't work out and I lose that combine, then so be it. I'll just try again. I figure it doesn't really make sense to try to do trade small on combines because you can't request a payout from them, obviously. So yeah, I'd rather just try to get them done as quickly as possible and possibly blow some combines instead of trading like a couple micros on them. That's just the way I see things. But if you have any comments or suggestions, please let me know as always. But if not, I will talk to you all tomorrow in the next video. Goodbye.